Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look up in Grand Forks. We're seeing some partly cloudy skies there and those breezy south winds helping those temperatures reach up into the 40s for much of the area here in Fargo. It's 42. Those winds, again, pretty strong out of the south at 15 miles an hour, making it feel like it's 35. Across the river in Moorhead, though, it's 37 there. Elsewhere, temperatures continue to rise. Most of the area sitting already in the 40s, some 50s for some folks in the far east. Bemidji at 55 degrees. They have a chance to reach up into the 60s today. Yesterday they hit 60 as well. Now looking at the satellite and radar, we're seeing those clouds drift off to the east, and that's leaving us with some clear skies for folks out west, as well as some clear skies for folks in Lakes Country right now, but we're going to see those clouds move on in there as well, but they're pretty thin, so they're not going to do much to block out the sun. Now those winds blowing out of the south, bringing much warmer air than what we've been used to for the past, well, about 5 months or so, and they're blowing out of the south at around 5 to 15 miles an hour. Weaker in the south, stronger in the north. Some teens up there. Now, as we continue moving through the afternoon, we're going to continue seeing that strong south wind. That'll help temperatures reach just short of 50 degrees here in Fargo, because we have to contend with all of that deep snowpack those winds are blowing over. Now, by evening, we're going to see some clouds for folks in the north and some clearer skies for folks in the south. We'll still be dealing with some partly cloudy skies down there, and those temperatures continue to be warmer for folks off to the east, a little cooler for folks off to the west. And as we move overnight, we have a chance for some light precipitation, primarily up in the Devil's Lake Basin. Some of that could be falling as rain. Some of that could be falling as some flurries. Pretty light precipitation though, so not much is expected there in the way of impacts, and that'll be on its way pretty quickly. Now by morning, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies, and that south wind will be calmer in the morning and then pick up tremendously as we move throughout the day into the afternoon, already blowing at around 15 miles an hour for folks in the south. And that's causing those temperatures reaching up into close to 50 degrees already here in Fargo. A bit warmer for folks off to the east. Again, a bit cooler out to the west. Now as we move into the afternoon, that's when we're going to see those temperatures really warm up, reaching up into the 50s here in Fargo. And again, that south wind will be very breezy, and as we move through the evening, we'll see those clearing skies helping us cool off a little bit as we move into Wednesday. Now we have a couple breezy days ahead of us today and tomorrow, and then we'll see some scattered rain begin on Wednesday, continuing through much of the day on Thursday, finally tapering off a little bit on Friday. But again, pretty spotty, pretty scattered, so it all just kind of depends on where you live, and we're going to continue seeing those temperatures in the 40s.
All right, as long as we have those warmer temperatures, but we do go from one extreme to the next. Yep. We had the flooding, and now we're going to have some rain coming.
Yep, exactly.
All right, well, thank you so much.